What's the meaning of considerate? Considerate. Considerate.
Considerate. Considerate. Considerate means showing careful thought for the feelings, needs, and wishes of others. A considerate person takes the time to think about how their actions might affect other people and tries to avoid causing unnecessary harm or inconvenience. They are often patient, understanding, and willing to compromise to make others feel more comfortable and valued. Being considerate can lead to stronger relationships, better communication, and a more positive social environment. It is an important trait to cultivate in both personal and professional settings.